Welcome to the channel. We are in New York session. So I had a trade which just happened now. That's what made me even get in earlier than I was expecting to actually get in. But I've cut it right. I've cut it as related. Um, yes, welcome to the channel. This is Go to Trade. We are in New York session, and if it's your first time being on the channel, don't be shy. Subscribe, like, and also share the video, right? So we had a beautiful London session. Out of four trade ideas, all four worked like to the T, right? Resulting us in having one account passed, right, and one almost passed. So if you look below, you'll be able to see there's one that's above 3,000, and then there's one that is 2.285, right? So that one is the one that we are seeing if we can get maybe good setups today or any setups today, right? So I had two setups I was looking forward to for them to work out. At least this is, but they're all presented. So it was gold, right? Let me show you. This rejection you're seeing from gold, yeah, I had an entry there to go down, but the timing, I mean, it's 6:50. For me, I like taking trades from 7 o'clock going back. So I see price has revisited that area again, and it's currently close to my entry right now. So I don't know if a person should get in or should not get in. That's one. Two, with our US 100, it's just 30 minutes. I was looking for a sell from somewhere around here, but it looks like it's not giving us a sell. So now it looks like gold came back for us, but now it's now dropping again. So, okay, I am just opened right now. We don't have to rush it, guys. Right? We literally don't have to rush nothing. We just have to look for a proper good setup, right? I mean, that move already down there, I know I would have already have made the amount of money, but again, we're not chasing money. We are just looking for a good move that's going to give us a good money, right? So, um, just having a look at what is gold really doing, right? Is it really wanting to drop from here to down, right? That's what I'm trying to have a look at right now. I hope I'm audible. I did not even check all of those things, eh? I hope I'm audible. Let's use that there. It's gonna be much better if this one's here. Then yeah. Okay. Just give me a second, yeah. And remember, anything that you see on this channel, it is not trading advice, right, guys? Nothing here is trading advice. I am not FACA regulated. This is all for fun. Anything you see here is it's not trading advice. Yeah, it's only for educational purposes, right? Um, why is my screen looking that big? I think it's the right screen I'm using here. I see there's an overlap here. Just give me a second. Okay, I think it may be better now. Yeah, I think it's much better. Okay, uh, let's see here. Just give me a second, just not double check. Okay, I think it's fine now. Hope it's clear. Okay, hope it's clear. Um, okay, I'll fix it if I have to transition to another scene. Okay, cool. I think we've fixed that. We've got this right now. Um, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, this is all happening now because I had to start streaming early. Otherwise, I'm supposed to start streaming at quarter past. This 10-15 minutes, I'm supposed to be creating, um, fixing all of these things you're seeing here. So, let's see. Okay, I hope I'm audible. Okay, so gold is back again in the entry. Yeah, to be honest with you, I don't have entries that bounce about 3 or 4 times in my same entry. No. So, um, yeah, I am not gonna get in now. I'd rather just watch this here, but I'm not going to be part of it. Mm, works out, it's fine. There will be other setups. We'll wait for other setups. At the moment, no. Yeah, it's violating it. Okay. Um, okay, then let me see. What else do we have here? Let's see, what else do we have? Let me remove this here. Yes, sir. We are back. We are back at it again. We are back at it again, Sam. We are back. So let's see. Um, yeah, let's see what New York has for us. Let's see what New York has for us. Mm, okay, US30 for me, since it violated what I was looking forward for it to do. The only thing we can do is now is just wait and see if it's presenting anything. Let's see here. Okay, US30. I'm currently seeing nothing. We just want to see price. So we have to allow price to mature and show us what it actually wants to do. With gold, Colide is the one that's interesting. Like I said, Colide had a setup, a potential setup to go up, but to go down, but it reacted, and it came also before time, and yeah, that's where the thing is. So I'm just waiting for it to actually break this high here. I want to break this high. Sorry, wrong. This high. If it can break this high, then we are fine. Then we can start waiting to see what it wants to do. Right now, it's at an area where I was expecting price to reverse, but there's been one and two, reversals, so or rejections, should I say? And that's not the type I was expecting. I was expecting a reversal, like for price to reverse this trend to go down and take out this low, potentially trade low. But since it did this again in no trade zone, we just need to watch. We just need to be spectators, not spectators, but we just need to see, allow it to tell us what it wants to do, and then we can take part of it after that. All right. We can see how our Asia, we opened here, we closed there. This was ranging. Yes, trendy, but it ended up as a range. This is a trend. You can see that's a proper trend there. Right, we opened here, we closed way above. That's how you see the difference between a range and a trade, a range and a trend, right? Or a range and a trend. We opened here, you can see where this green is, and you can see where this is, same vicinity, right? That is a range. This here is a trend. We opened here, we closed on top, right? That's how we see that is a trend. Okay, gold again, we're waiting. US30, we are waiting. With NASDAQ, NAS 100. Okay, so I'm just going to have a look at NAS 100 here. Like I said, all of these things are supposed to have done them by analyzing, so that I'm just telling you what I'm looking forward to, right? Yeah, this was a beautiful, from the morning, imagine, from the morning all the way there. Price has been shooting, it's been bullish. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let me just put a bit of music here. Put a bit of music, guys. Can be this quiet. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Since the ready for another killer session? Yes, we are. Already, we are ready. Um, okay. Let's see if do this here. Okay, cool. We've got. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Uh, okay. Let's see if we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you just give me another 5 minutes, guys. I just want to warm my tea. So 2 minutes. The water is warm. I'm just pouring the tea inside. So if you can just give me another 5 minutes. Guys, I'm back. Yeah, it's a bit cold. It's actually cold, so I had to make some tea. All right, to make some tea. Yeah, get a jacket on. Um, so what do we have here? What are we seeing? So I've analyzed, I think, okay, I've analyzed, okay, what I'm looking at, what I've analyzed, and this is what we potentially can have a setup on, right? We've got, I've looked at gold, I've looked at 30, I've looked at NASDAQ, looked at okay, S&P, no, I haven't looked at S&P, but I looked at NASDAQ, GPUSD, GBP USD, Euro USD, and AD USD. So, and out of all of them, the only one I'm seeing a potential setup here, like out of all of them right now, as we're talking, only one I'm seeing a potential setup, it is ADUSD. Right, let's go to ADUSD. Yeah, like, I mean, if you look at these guys, look how impulsive they've been. So, it's ADUSD. So ADUSD, you can see we've got structure here, clean structure. So what I want is, I don't want it to break here. Yeah, I don't want it to break here. I want it to actually go up here. Then we can see, or we can take what we want, what the market is saying. So I want it to come and sweep this high here and come inside here. And then we can take a sell to go down. I don't want it to sweep this. So I want this to be our TP here, right, in our entry here. So we need to, oh, by the way, I did not say this. Anything that's on this channel, it is financial advice, guys. I am not regulated. I'm not financially regulated. I don't have a FSCA license. All that you're seeing here is for entertainment purposes, right? So, yeah, do your own research when it comes to your making your own financial decisions. Okay, so now that is out of the way, like I was saying, this is the only guy that's looking a bit more with potential, right? For it to come here, then from there we can take a sell and target this low and that low, these two relative equal lows. They wouldn't be that bad for us to actually target those two relative equal lows, right? So I'm gonna put this just a bit low. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm potentially seeing with this. Is there anything else that is there? Okay, I'm just gonna confirm something with this euro, with this one. Yeah, no, it's probably don't happen. I'm just looking at the way it is, and it don't happen, so it's fine. If we don't have that, GU, I don't have anything. This is so impulsive. If you see something so impulsive like this, if you see price action impulsive like this, yeah, no, just know that wherever it's coming from, the turning point here, wherever it's coming from, it's from a very high time frame. See, we came into that fair value gap here, but we did not come to this fair value gap today. We came into this fair value gap, I don't know when. You see it there. We came into that fair value gap, I think yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. And yesterday we were not streaming. Then, yeah, yesterday. You see, that's how, if you're seeing this price being impulsively and it's not giving you anything, like it's not telling you structure, it's not anything, just not from a high time frame. Right. The same way on our mid time frames price, when a mid time frame price gets into our entry and then it reacts and goes and hits TP like in a few minutes or seconds, whatever it is, right? It's the same way it's happening with a high time frame where price is like impulsively moving or doing what it has to do, right? So seeing that, um, it's not really much of a shocker, and seeing why price is actually impulsively moving this way. Um, what we gotta do is just we need to, or at a time or a day like this, it's either there's only two things we look for here is if price reacts, right? If price reacts, what I mean reacts, I mean like if it goes up. Okay, right, we are selling right now. Let's use this scenario, this exact scenario. The only thing that we can see here is price to potentially just to give short-term entries and complete and probably carry on going to wherever it wants to go to, right? Or the second thing to do is stay away. That's the second thing to do, right? Because you need to have structure. You want to see structure and you want to be getting in at you want to be having good entries, right? So yeah, the best thing if you can't see those the small structures forming, then stay away. I mean, look, even all the way to the 5 minutes, look how impulsive you are. So you just stay away. That's the best thing we do. Just stay away, right? That's the best thing we do. We stay away with this guy. Let's go to Euro USD. Similar. Look how impulsive this is. Similar. This was for another day. I need to document quite a few things here. If the session ends quickly, I think I'll take the time to document because I've seen there are setups I even got involved on Monday, but I did not document them. So I need to make sure I document that too. And I think today we're gonna do the rating. We're gonna rate. I've got a like I did mention that I've got something which I was working on, right? So we can do the rating. Okay, let's see. Just work on that bit. Perfect. Right. Yeah, I'm seeing the drawn liquidity being around here. Yeah, I don't know if it will give a setup for us to be part of that trade. But I'm seeing it coming closer to here. But anyway, let's leave that. Let's go to the other guys there, the other kids. SPX. Let's put SPX on hold. We'll go to SPX after we have solved this one. Ooh, nah. Oh, this is US30. Okay, NASDAQ at least, and then we can come back to US30. So US30 was beautiful in the morning. Remember, we had got in here and it went up. It came back into cost of break even, but it then carried on going up, right? So, which is okay. Um, very impulsive. Very, very, very impulsive. So, if it's impulsive, just watch. Just watch. No need to be wanting to join because if you join, to what? To where? We don't know where we are coping. We don't know why we are going in. So it's always good to watch. This tea is now getting cold. So, um, okay, let's go to gold. Let's look at gold. Gold has structure. That's one thing we can say. The structure. It took out the high like we were saying, which is good. Now, it's a structure. It has structure. So we need to see, um, I think here right now, we just need to allow price to do quite a few things, because looking at what we have here, okay, okay, yeah, let's wait for gold. I want to see gold, or maybe not. I want to see, but if I've got a setup here right now, a setup that I may be looking forward to, let's see if gold does this. Comes, takes out these relative equal highs, trades back, and then maybe we could get a setup there to trade back. If we don't get a setup, it can go, we'll be fine. And then we have to see what does it do when it takes out these relative equal highs here. Maybe we could end up going up. But again, with no confirmations, all these things, they don't mean nothing, right? You need to have confirmations. You need to know what your entry triggers are. You need to know what your factors of confluence are. What are you looking for? The list. It's not just one, right? It needs to be specific things that you've spent time backtesting and looking at, right? And then you now know what to look for when you see them. Right. Cool. So otherwise, if we don't get nothing, we don't get nothing, right? Um, okay. Yeah, so we're just gonna wait. That's all we're gonna wait here. That's all we're gonna do. We can just wait and see what this price do. We're having a lot of um, we've got structure. I want to see right now what is the best structure is gold, but setups not yet, right? So hence we are waiting. It's gold as setups, as structure, I mean, but setups, no, doesn't have it all. Yeah, it's interesting, interesting. For me, with currency pairs, guys, nah, I'm seeing nothing. Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm seeing potential. Let's go back to AD/USD. Let's go to AD/USD. Where are you? AUD? Here you are. Okay. I'm seeing a potential move with AUD. I'm seeing a potential buy with the AUD/USD. So it's not confirmed if it has what we need in order to be part of this trade. Okay, I think it might have. So let's just go confirm. Give me a quick second. Yeah, okay. With AUD, we are looking to go buys from very close, very close, very close. Let's see, it's a 6, or 6A, sorry, 6A. Okay. Um, double check my entry. Okay, we're almost there with ADUSD. Okay, almost there with ADUSD. Yeah. So we want ADUSD to come like around here. We've got this order block here. That's where we'll be looking forward to be buying, and our stop loss is going to be just about there, back up. So let's see, but not all the way up there. I'm seeing maybe we could potentially react, but let's see. Okay, right where it is there, it's fine. So our entry is with AUDUSD. Then we are looking to go out to somewhere here. It's fine. I'm not sure about it going all the way back up here, but just around here is okay. Okay. Stop loss is, like I said, right about here. So I'm also watching it here. I think that it's not as volatile, these currencies. So you can see the losses are just minimal, like so small. Right. Okay. I kind of pulling back. Wait, where's the thing again? Okay, for me, I'm gonna cut this before we go further. I've just got a confirmation that we are gonna sell lower. So I'm gonna cut this here. Flatten. Yeah, I've got a confirmation we're gonna go lower. Yeah. I'm just gonna go out. Yeah. We can wait. We can wait. We can wait. See, it's not that bad when it comes to these currency pairs. I mean, I had 5 contracts, but they are very weak when it comes to this here. So let's just wait. I got a confirmation we're gonna go a bit lower, so I am not gonna risk or trade there. Let's see what else. See, like I said, yeah, stop loss been taken out, but still it was minimum loss that we had instead of taking the full loss. So yeah, it's just small things that price does that you need to be aware of in order for you to see that has to do with your confirmation. I had got a confirmation, but I didn't. I was missing a confluence in order for me to go up. So what I did is I said, okay, fine, I'll get in, but I'll wait and see if it's actually going to do something. But no. See, we are going lower. So it's not him either. Yeah, no, I don't see anything else here. The move I wanted was the sell from the top, but it happened without us. So we'll leave AD. We'll leave AD right now. Just gonna see something here. If the buy is gonna still take place, or it's actually done. Okay, so see something here. If we view here, and then we have any potential gold buy. Okay, I'll go there now to gold. Just looking at the euro to see if it really I'm saying euro, sorry, AD, to see if it was yeah. Okay. So AD, I do have a place, but I'm not gonna get in. I'm gonna watch it. But I think it will react from that area with AUD. Sam had requested for gold, so let's go see. Wait, let me just highlight the area with AUD so you can see it, and then we can be spectators. I mean, it's not worth it to be getting in trades here in AUD. Where is the level I'm looking for? I'm looking for it at 0.65 for one. I'll put it here. So 0.65 493. Okay, that's the area I'm looking for. Yeah, around here, in order for it to potentially go up. But we'll see. We'll see, right? Let's go back to gold now. Gold buys. Gold, 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 gold. We are dropping now. I'll be honest with you. With gold, I'll be neutral. I am neutral right now. I really want you to take out this high here, unless if it's me who can't see that these highs are actually taken out. Yeah, I wanted these highs, so we've got relatively good highs here. These are the highs I wanted them to be taken out in order for us to start looking for buys. But without that, it makes it a bit okay. I'm just gonna confirm if the potential buy I'm seeing, if it has other confluences, but I think I might struggle seeing a buy. Yeah, tell me when in. I don't see one. I don't see one. I'm not seeing one. Instead, I'm seeing maybe after this unemployment claims, I think maybe a setup may show up after that, but um, I'm not seeing one currently. Um, could take out those lows, the relative lows. I wanted them and then reverse, but I am not seeing that. I'm struggling to see one. If it does it, yeah, but again, if it does it, I wouldn't have an entry, an error to actually get involved. So yeah, we just have to wait. We have to wait. Uh, who are we looking at? Who are we looking at again? Was it AD, right? Okay. Okay. AD, if it does come into that area, there is a confirmation we need to see. It can go without us, that's okay, but we will need to see price to do. So, for example, it can come in this area, and then from there, it can choose to go up, but before it goes up, there is something I want to see do in here, okay, in the same time frame or the 5, but then we can go up, when we can end up going up. So right now we are just waiting. We are waiting to see if it's going to actually give what we want to see, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Looking at euro as well, I'm seeing some stuff now. It's building. See prices now building. Um, okay. Okay, that's fine. So euro, I'm watching it. It's loading. So as it loads, you want to see if this is a classic. Okay, let me show you what I'm seeing with euro. Euro is loading. Let's go fast. Euro has got two things here. Right now, we are retracing. This is a point and a point. We're retracing here. Two things. Either we can reverse or we can break and then reverse and then go up. But once I'm saying it's loading, I want to see how it will react at an area where I would expect it to actually go low. Okay. Um, these guys are now dropping. So this drop can be two things: either a retracement or a reversal, right? Job is to be able to know which one it is. So, okay, I think it's a retracement. Um, so if it's a retracement, meaning we'll be going up, right? Is this US30? Okay. Okay, so US30 is not bad. Okay, I'm seeing a potential move with US30. Can I just double check and put an alert here so I don't get surprised? Then I'll show you now what I'm seeing. Um, with okay, I'm seeing it on US30, but not on NASDAQ. I thought I would see it on NASDAQ, but it's not there. Let me just double check with S&P real quick, real quick. Let's check with you. Um, okay. SPX does look like it has the set up, but hey, the way the candles are forming, guys, they are not nice. If I have to show you, I'll show you now. They're not forming nice at all. They're not forming cleanly. Oh, yeah, because I'm seeing us potentially go back up like this here, but we are not yet in the entry with the other guys here. So I think this will be probably our first SPX trade that we're getting. Yeah. Where's SPX? Okay, let me show you. So we dropping, right? Or we are retracing at least, should I say? Yeah. So SPX, can I put my entry here and get ready for it here? So I've got both SPX and YM. They're both giving me a setup to go up. So I'm gonna get in the one which comes in first, right? So whichever one that comes in first, we get involved that one. So let me just make sure it's ready as SPX. What's the name of it again? It's ES. Yeah, it's been that long since I've actually traded ES. I don't think I've traded it this year. It's probably the first. Okay. Yeah, so we are in this fair value gap here. Right, and we are looking for price to come on the 5. I think on the 5 maybe we'll see it clearly somewhere here, and then we can go stop loss somewhere here, and then we can go back up. Yeah, so that's with SPX. And then just give me a second here. Check out, am I trading again? I'm trading 11. Okay. I don't want to make a mistake and then I trade the wrong account. Regardless of however the trade goes in a situation like that, it will be okay. No, I think two is fine. Two is okay. Two contracts, yeah. So what am I talking about? Two is okay. Two contracts. Two contracts in New York and two contracts in London. They don't. They're not the same value. It doesn't matter if you're doing the same thing. It goes up in value. Like New York, it's more. Where's S&P? Just want to make sure it's already here. Yeah, in New York, it's more volatile. Like it's really volatile, right? If you are trading, so we're looking for US30 buys and S&P buy. So S&P, SPX, we're expecting price to come. What level is this? Yeah, very close to that. Yeah, and then we can go up. So we're just waiting to see, and then we can be in the trade. 30, similar. With 30, we are looking for a similar setup as well. So let's see. We're looking for price like coming here, and then we can go up. No, not there. So we're waiting. So I'm waiting for both 30. Let me make sure YM is ready as well. So whichever one comes in first, similar, similar. I mean, similar setup. So we just have to see which one gets ready first, then we get in. Six, two is fine. Oh yeah, and remember, unemployment claims are taking place, guys, in the next few minutes, right? In about 19 minutes, right? Is when we're having our unemployment claims. So okay, let me show you with the US30, so you can also be familiar. US30 entry, I'm looking for it around, let me put it this way, then I'll type 4.4. Uh, 4.446. Okay, that looked a bit better than I was expecting it. Did I put it right? Okay, yeah, somewhere here. Just move it a bit up. And then stop loss. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, somewhere down here. Then we can tag it back up. Okay. Let's go see if with gold, how is our gold doing, right? See. Okay. We are still undecided right now. I'll make sure I've got my alerts on for both sides, so I don't want surprises. Yeah, I know. If it reverses, like I say, it's okay, but I don't have nothing here. I can't see. I can't see. Can't see. And then AD, where is AD? AD also, it's becoming difficult now. This is where we wanted you to come. So we can go up. Let's see. Still wait, still wait, still wait. Can pull down, go back up. Yeah, if it's serious. And this was an example that we made. Oh, who was loading before? Euro was loading, right? Let me go have a look at Euro. Okay, Euro, no. I don't have a setup anymore. It violated none of the two things that we wanted to see. So, see, we just went down now. Yeah, I don't have, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't have an area where I'm looking for a euro now to come through. I don't have any of the things. I can remove them now. Can't see nothing now with euro. You just have to wait, I guess. Yeah, but otherwise, at the moment, no, nope, 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 nope. Okay, so us will be waiting for, what is it? SPX and PET. Those are the ones we're waiting for. These two here. Let's put them the red. Let's remove that there. SPX, let's say ready to come around there. We go up. Same thing with 30. Similar. And we can go back up. So it would be nice if it can come in before um, this, what do you call it? It would be nice if it can come in before uh, unemployment claims. Okay, SPX alert is going off. Let's get ready with who's this? ES is very close. For me, it's not yet in, so I'm waiting. I'm still waiting. I know here it looks like it's in, but I'm still waiting. Yeah, no, still waiting. Still waiting. It's not here yet. Me, I will execute it here. Remember, anything you see here on this channel is not financial advice. All right. Okay. So SPX looks like it will be ready first. Okay. I think my US30 alert is going off. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. So it's either YM or SPX. Whichever one goes in first, we go in. Hey, they are exactly the same, eh? Oh, they're doing it exactly the same. We're not yet in, we're not yet in. Looks like 30 might get ready first, yeah. Okay, I think I'll get in 30, guys. 30, it's looking like it's about to get ready. So, as much as I wanted S&P, don't go, Baba, don't go, come back, come back, come back. SPX, though, I think SPX are two areas, man. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, looks like we'll be getting in 30, guys. 30, US30, SPX. I'm not sure if it says left, but 30. SPX, I was waiting for it to come to my area here. Yeah, come 30, come down, come down, come down. Okay, let me go to 30 so you see the one I'm trying to go into. See how close 30 is. Calm down, calm. 30 looks like it may come. Okay, 30 is very close. Okay. Order filled. 30 we are in. Okay, there's an SPX, remember. SPX, I'm getting a 1 for SPX. Okay, we are in here. We are in here too. So I just need to put my alarms now. I'm saying alarms, stop losses. What I'd like for it to do is for it to reject, to like shoot further up, right? And then I can put my stop loss. So I don't have any miscellaneous things. What's happening now? Did I not get in? Yes, I did get in. Okay. And I got in the right one. Yes, I did get in the right one. Okay. Oh, let me just paper trade this one. Okay. I'm watching you 30. I'm watching you. Who is this again? That's ES. Okay. Okay, 30 is me. 30 has violated. Order failed. 30 has violated. See SPX. SPX has not violated yet. Just put my stop loss. SPX to make sure. SPX has not violated yet, but very close to violating as well. Okay. Order failed. Okay. So for me, I think I'll be done for New York. Oh, I'm done for New York now, guys. I took those trades. My risk was not bad. I think I did very well with my risk. I was not risking much for every trade because I had said since we need about how much? I think there's 6 to 500 rand that we needed, or 6 to 700 rand we needed. So I said I'm going to just risk about $100 per trade. So, and my risk, I think it's fine. I think I've done fine. Um, what I'll do before I close it off, let me just close this here off. What I'll do is before I close it off, uh, let's wait for this here to happen. What do you call it? This news here that we have here. Let's wait for it to happen, and then let's see um, what's happening in 5 minutes. Let's wait for it and just see how or what does price do. I'm making sure all my orders are out right now. Flatten everything. Make sure flatten everything. Cancel orders. Flatten everything. You don't want to come and wake. You don't want to wake up and find a surprise, right? So okay, we just gonna, like I said, will be. I think I'm done now. I took 2 trades. I took these guys here, which is one set up, but it's 2 trades here, and then um, GBP USD. I can't see nothing. SPX. I can't see nothing. Uh, yeah, I can see nothing right now with SPX. Let me just do this here. What's this? Okay, it's much better. Uh, okay. Okay, let's just wait for this economic and see. Yeah, let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's put a bit of music. Let's put a bit of music. Okay, with ADUSD, I am seeing an entry set up. Let's see. Let's see. Just remove all of this here. ADUSD, I'm seeing buys, potential buys. Where are you? ADUSD. Okay, I'm seeing potential buys, but again, we are waiting. Let's see. Let's see. Needs to give us something specific in order for us to actually get in. Interesting. Interesting. Very close, very close, very close. But these things have been selling, eh? They've been dropping and dropping and dropping. Oh, the news just took place, né? But I can't even tell that this unemployment claims just took place. Gold, those buys, I'm struggling, like I said, I'm struggling to see buys. I'm struggling to see buys. Yeah, I'm struggling to see buys. Let's see here. Okay, maybe there could be a short one. Let's see. What is this again? Real quick. Just gonna double check it and see if it really is going to be a buy or this is just a short term one I'm seeing here. Where is this? Yeah, let's see. Okay. Okay. I see you. Why you take out slow? You did not. Oh, it looks like this gold move. Yeah, I wanted to get in here. Let's just double check. I just want to double check and see something. If it is really the move. So what did we need to see here? Came in here. Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing it high, like from here. A minute, let me show you something here. From minute from here, and it can go up to this size then. Now I don't have an entry. So my error, my issue is I don't have an entry. Yeah. See how it's moving. It's moving so good like that. There. This was that. This is that. This here. This one is you. Still going to be this guy here. Yeah. Yeah. seeing this here. It's curving. I removed that. Sorry for removing that. Add machine. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it was gonna be a short term, but it was gonna be nice short term for me because the area to actually go out somewhere. Let me see. So now we're having the move. Interesting. Probably even here. Where this ends here. Yeah, probably even there. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, it's okay. I'm failing to see an entry and it can happen. We don't have to be part of it. But I'm not seeing an entry to get in. Uh, AD did not give us confirmation as well. So, okay. So this one. No, no, still won't have for me. No, I'm just trying to see if there's anything before I close it off for me. No, this is interesting one. No, this is thinking. Okay. Yeah, no, gold is moving, but I don't have an entry. I don't have an entry. Um, I hope you got it, Sam. As you were seeing potential buys, I hope you got it, or at least got the entry, because struggling to see. I'm struggling to see an entry. So, okay. What time is it now? We've got 20 minutes to 9. So, uh, okay. Just gonna double check something here. Uh, this is for gold. Just double checking something. Mm, forgot that. Forgot this one. Forgot that one. Forgot this one. Forgot this one. Forgot that one. Check you. Put you there. Okay. There it is here. You. Similar but not the same. Not the same. Not the same. Okay. Is that the one? This one. Okay. So I'm just trying to see where would, let's say we're in this trade, where would we expect to be going out or a reaction? Because I'm seeing potential reaction in this area. Yeah, it has to come in this area. Seeing a potential reaction here. So I'm trying to see that reaction can be a reversal, right? Or a retracement, but it will be a reaction. That's what I'm saying. So let's check. Let's sell this one. This is this one, yeah, this one here. I would do it. Okay. Um, I can see, I can see, I can see. It's not what I thought it was. So, okay. Yeah, it's playing out. So, like I said, the buy, I, I didn't have an entry for it. I only saw a short-term one, but I didn't have an entry for it. So yeah, that's good. I don't know. Did you manage to win from that? Did you manage to make money from that? Did you manage to make money from that buy? Yeah, for me, I couldn't see a way actually to get in, or at least say my confirmation was not given, so it was difficult for me to actually get in that one. Did you manage to get in the trade? Today, the market, the way it's so impulsive, yeah, no, market is moving. That's what I'll say. There is juice in the market. There is juice. There's juice in the market. Okay, okay, all right, all right, all right. Yeah, guys, trading can be lonely, guys. I'm not say lonely, but it can be quiet. Let me say, see how quiet it is. Just watching, looking. I think that's the reality of trading. Um, okay. No, tell me the word setup here. Yeah, sorry guys. Okay. 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 Yeah, no. Gold is moving very nicely up, but I am failing to find the area to go in. Let me see it. So let's just wait a bit. Just wait a bit. Just wait. Ah, Okay, so in 3 minutes we've got uh, yeah, 3 minutes we've got our okay, our opening bell is happening in 33 minutes, but in 3 minutes we have 9 o'clock, right? Actually, there's volatility. So let's see. Yeah, I don't see nothing here. Okay. Today is Wednesday, right? Is it Wednesday or Thursday? Oh, it's Thursday. Okay. It's Thursday. Yeah, gold is shooting up. She shoot up. Yeah, no, that was a good buy. That was a good buy. I hope you got in, Sam. I hope you got in the buy, my brother. Or if you got, if the entry was presented for you, but yeah. But I wanted to take out this high, and then we come back and take out this lows, and then we go up. But this was relatively low, so yeah. So see, that's the volatility we're talking about at 9. This volatility is even way bigger than the news that happened today. So Okay, it's 9 now. Just gonna update my analysis, then see if there is anything. Okay, so I'm just waiting for potential moves, simply waiting for, I just want to see with 30, 30, not 30 with NASDAQ. So I'm waiting to see if we decide we break, right? If we break low, I'm expecting a setup. If we break high, I'm expecting a setup. So we do rebalance here. Okay. And potential drop with gold. Maybe a small drop to this low here, but I think it's worth it. Okay. Okay. Euro. I'm saying Euro. NASDAQ. I want to see it come and break this high here. If it breaks this high, then we could have a potential setup. We could have a potential setup. If we break that high, we could have a potential setup. Like I said with gold, I'm seeing it coming to break this high here. Just a small drop, but it's not worth it. Like I'd say, so let's go here and wait. Probably with a new account, with a funded account. I'm gonna make a video after this, which I want to post. In fact, I made one video yesterday. I'm probably gonna post it, and then I'm gonna make the video, and I'll post it later on as well. The video I'm gonna make now is just me recording or showing you how you don't just pass and leave the account like I just did there. There are things that you need to do, right? You need to go submit, write a form, sign that form that you are submitting for a payout request, right? Not payout request. Okay, payout request also has, but you are saying that you are a request, a passing request, something like that, yeah. So you'll see it when I do make the video, so that you are just a bit more informed with Polonox. Let's go see gold. So it did take out the low. Yeah, this relative lows. So okay. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, so we are waiting, guys. We are waiting. Um, yeah, you just have to wait. 'Cause I'm not seeing much here. You have to wait. You have to wait. In 14 minutes, we are having our opening bell. So I think after that, I'm gonna close. After that, if there's no setup, yeah, I'll be done for today. Yeah, I'll be done for today. I'll be done for today. Excuse me. Let's put music here. Let's put a bit of music. My music is boring. Eh? Just focus. Yo, I've been muted all along, bro. Thanks for letting me know. I've been muted all along. Sorry, man. I've been muted all along. Yeah, and I didn't check. I see now. Thanks for letting me know. Okay. So with gold, let me show you what I may be looking forward to, but it needs to be specific. Okay. Not yet. We have to wait a bit. Just wanted to use the bathroom break. I was wanting to use the bathroom break, but I want to make sure. Because whenever you're about to have a bathroom break, that's when things happen. Let's see for this year. Okay, no, I'll be back. Right. I'm potentially looking for buys, but I need a confirmation, but I'll be back. Let me just take just 2 minutes, literally. Okay, I'll be back. Let me leave you with music. Let me leave you with music. Make sure there's music here, at least something playing. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. Gold. It's not giving me what I want to see. It's not. So, yeah, I guess, um, okay. Seeing why is it trying to lag on me here? Uh, I can't see anything with gold anymore. Okay. Mm, okay. Geo potentially, but wait. Oh, the way US30 bought, this is not serious. Yeah, it should up, it should up, it should up. Again, we didn't have nothing here. We can see much. Okay, nothing. So potentially we could go up. Okay. Um, uh, okay, guys, I stayed 30 minutes longer than I wanted to. It's just 10, but I don't need to be here. I don't see I don't see anything else. Let's end this day on a very good note. Let's end it on a very good note. I think this is how we are able to make sure that we are consistently growing. So yeah, let's end this day on a good note. I am not seeing anything anymore. Let me just browse through with you. So you see, this impulsive move, I have no idea where or who is it coming from. Usually when it's impulsive, we go on a higher time frame in order for us to see what is it, right? Did we take out that high there? Probably, but I don't have a setup or anything that has to do with that. So I am seeing it potentially going maybe all the way to here, somewhere here maybe, and then maybe we reverse, but I don't see. Yeah, yeah. But that would be a swing trade, eh? So now I'm going to think, I could see the setup on the high time frame, but if it's a swing trade, meaning the stop loss becomes bigger, and we can't swing trade on our accounts. So yeah, I'm seeing it come here, somewhere here. Then we go up, 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 up. That's what I'm seeing. Let's see. Yeah, maybe even tomorrow's move. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. If it's tomorrow's move, I'll be fine. That'll be good. That'll be good. That'll be good. Yeah, same price to go take out that high there. But we do have to come in here, like by this gap here or something. Then we go and take out this relative got highs. Okay, that's gold. NASDAQ. Let's quickly scan through. Yeah, tag is definitely this low, but after that, I don't know who it's coming from or why is it coming from. Yeah, no, not that. We are gonna leave it. No, just that is as if it's flipped. It's as if it's flipped. So yeah, SPX will jump you. Yes, guys. I had was it GU? Yeah, but I can't see anything anymore now. GU. I had GU, but it's no longer giving the setup. So let's see euro. Same as euro as well. AUD. AUD. Okay. AUD is looking like something. I just want to confirm. Then we can get out of here if it's not. Okay. There is order block. Okay, let's check. Okay, if it's not you, let's see this one. Yeah, US30 guys, this thing is moving as if it told us that we are moving and we did not listen. Mm. Yeah, it's damage. Gold. Okay, I want to see something with gold. Gold. Okay, just do this here. Unless, yeah, it's two. Oh, it's two weakness. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for joining. Um, oh yeah, let me just do the rating which I was telling you about. Just do the rating. I'll show you how it looks. So I want to see if we are about to reverse, but for it to do that, it's going to need to come back. And then we can go up. But hey, it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. So while we are rating, maybe it will go for it. Yeah. Okay, it's coming up. I hope it's the right one, but I think it's the right one. Yes, it's the one. So I present to you gradient, right? Well, maybe the name might change, but I think gradient is sticking for now. So what this does is it maintains, or it monitors, and it works like a trading stop loss, in fact, right? The one that when if you make money, you cannot go beyond below the money that you've made, and yeah, right. So far I've used it twice when I was trading here, and I was supposed to be using it consistently. So I'm gonna rate two sessions. I'm gonna rate London's one, and I'm gonna rate New York's one, right? And you will be with me as you watch this. Let me just see if it's actually showing full screen. I want it to be full screen, right? And then will be able to see it. So this is it here, full screen. Yeah, I see it. Sure. And then my face. Where are you? Full screen, right? Okay, cool. I can see myself now. Sure. So first of all, did I pray for guidance through the Holy Ghost? Yes, I did. Did I trade only documented setups? Yes, I did. Did I risk according to plan? Yes, I did. Take the correct number of trades in London. We're doing London. Yes, I did. In New York, did I follow my mechanical and discretionary rules? Yes, I did. Did I have a stop loss? Remember the US30 trade which I had? Yes, I did. They all had stop loss, but I'm just mentioning where one was actually hit. It was in break even. Traded on a valid day, no major rate news or US public holiday. Yes, I did. Let's proceed to rating. So this is my previous rating here. If you see it was bad, I actually got a D for it, and I got a strike, right? I actually got a strike for it. So I'll explain as well how that goes, or how that actually works, right? So um, punctuality, time today was good. It was good, right? I was there in time. I was there before time, way before time. Was good. My setup execution, beautiful, was good. My discipline today in London, I'm not gonna put it an A because we're gonna put it an A. It's a bit. I'll put it a B. I think my discipline was good, but I don't want to get 100%. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah. Journaling. Did I? Well, how's my journaling? I haven't journaled yet, so I might be behind on that. I'll put a B. Missed trades or missed setup. I did miss no setup in London. So you can see my rider chart there. It's actually looking well, right? This is my previous versus my London. This is way better. So the goal is to have this as a full, So yeah, and consistently keep it that way. So notes. I'm just gonna take my notes while we wait, right? In London, what are the notes? Okay, I'm gonna take this out, but then let's do this here. And I'll leave you with that there while I'm filling up my notes, right? Okay, right. Okay, let's do this here. Fine. That's my notes for today. I see yesterday I missed. Is it yesterday or the other day? It was today I missed setups upon setups, and they were coming 3 to 5 hours, but I didn't capitalize. I put, okay, I don't know what I meant. Oh, put, maybe I meant I put, with, yeah, what was next to I? I put, oh, I meant out, oh, remove this. Out of 6 setups, 2 was wrong, and the rest were winning setups, right? I need to be more focused, as in pay attention to a lot of details. I deserve 2 strikes. Talk about this strike here, but I can't give myself 2 strikes, right? I need to get a strike. The session, the whole rating of the session is the one that gives me the strike. Today London was amazing. We passed an account, and out of 4 trades, all 4 were spot on. Hope to beat this session. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to beat this here. So you can see my points here. When I got a fail, my grade is D, and I got 15 points. This was a better day, this one here. So I missed setups while trying to fix OBS. I didn't trade this one, hence it's good. Hence it was good, but I missed setups, hence I got a B. But everything else was spot on. So here's my rate. So you can see how versus now I've got 2 radar charts, right? Or at least I've got 2 shapes inside here, where we can see my previous punctuality was actually spot on, but where I improved on today was my setup execution, right? I actually got in proper setup, my proper setup, right? My discipline was also a huge improve, right? I don't know why did I not give myself a full A for discipline, but I think maybe it's because um, with the gold trade, I went out, then I went back in, right? And I had not looked at my time. If I had looked at my time, I would have known not to go out, but to stay in and allow my time to come and then go out, right? So maybe just that small part which I need to improve on. And then my journaling was not so bad, right? Was not so bad. Um, Previously was, in fact, it was the second best out of the punctuality last time, right? So hence I did say there's a lot of documentation that needs to take place, which I did not take, but I need to actually or use the documentation, right? I need to take time. So even like after now, maybe I will do the document. In fact, yeah, I'll do I have to shoot the video and then do the documentation. And then missed setups. I did not miss any setups. In session in London, I did not miss any setups. I did very well in London. Rank. Oh, I'm still under MH. So what happens is that if when I get to 42 sessions, 42 out of 42 streaks, I get promoted. This bar would have reached to the end of the bar here, right? So I just need to keep on making sure I make my best, doing what yeah, consistently do what is, be on time, don't miss setups, trade documented setups only, all of those things, right? That's what's going to help me. So this is still a work in progress. It's got a few things I still need to improve on. Yeah, it's got a few things I actually really need to improve on. So that's what we have. Then yeah, that was it. That's for my London, right? That's for my London session. Um, I have to rate my New York now. I'll do my New York. Did I pray for guidance? Yes, I did. Did I trade documented setups. Yes, I did. Did I risk according to plan? My risk this New York was like top notch. I took 3 trades and all were still less than my overall maximum loss I'm supposed to have, so which was good. Correct number of trades, which was good as well. Followed mechanical and discretionary rules. Yes, I did. Each trade is a stop loss and to take profit. Yes, I did. Traded on a valid day. Yes, I did. So let's go to grade. Punctuality for New York. I actually started my New York very early, which was good. I'll give myself an A. My execution. My execution for setup execution. What did we trade? We traded those 2, right? We even came out with one earlier. My execution was good. My execution was good. There's no trade where I got in and I felt like I'm doing something wrong. That's how I actually know if my execution is good or not, right? Because if I get in where I'm not supposed to get in, I start to feel this feeling as if I'm formal trading. Because and where is this feeling coming from? It's actually coming from um, if the trade does not work out, I'm going to lose more than I'm supposed to lose. Therefore, it affects my risk, my actual risk. So I did not get that feeling this session. So my setup execution was good. My discipline. So now I'm thinking back. I started the session very early, but gold that came into my trade, into my area, and it rejected. But it came into my into my entry before time. So I don't know if that should count as my discipline working on it. In fact, discipline was good because I did not trade it before time. Because if I did trade it before time, then I'm trading in the wrong time. Therefore, my discipline is not right. Right. So my discipline was good. Journaling, 0 journaling. I'll give myself a C with my journaling. Missed setups. That buy, I can't say it's a missed setup because I did not have the gold buy. I can't say it's a missed setup because I did not have an entry for it. So I'm just going through my setups, my trades. No, not that. Trying to see if there's anything I actually missed. No, I did not miss. I did not miss. Uh, there is no setup I say that I wanted to get in and I missed. I did not miss the setup. So, wow. Look, look what's interesting about this text. This is probably going to be my highest now. All right. This is probably going to be my highest. And let's see. Here we hit there, we hit here. We did not hit this, which was what we improved on, but we did not. Okay, it's probably going to be the same actually. It's going to be the same. But look, my London and my New York, my ratings for both were like so good, right? Like what level? Grade A level, right? But one was profitable and one was not. So what should you be learning from this? That it's not about winning, which I'm happy that it's serving its purpose. It's not about winners or losses. It's about following your trading plan, mastering yourself, uh, respecting yourself, and yeah, yeah, right. Because regardless, they're gonna give you good losses and good winners if you're able to follow. That's what this is supposed to. It's not about winners. It doesn't count. There's not even profitable. It doesn't ask if it's a profitable day or not. No. Its stats or its urge is that the urge comes from you being able to follow your rules. Because the urge says if you follow your rules to the T, you will be profitable at the end of the day or at the end of the week or at the end of whatever it is. You see? So that is good for me. I am happy with that. Right. So this actually highlights, right? Although, no, I'm saying AI though now. Although this although New York was not was losing trades, I still scored high because um, followed my trading plan and respected myself. You see, so that's what's interesting now, yeah. That's the juice. That's what I want to say. That's the juice in this. Is that this session and the previous session? That's the previous session that we have there. We can compare them. You can clearly see that uh, this one we know is the one that we made good guap here, and here we did not make good guap, but we made a good loss. Yeah, we lost good guap. Yeah, we lost good guap. Yeah, we lost good guap. Yeah, yeah. I don't know if that makes sense. Uh, let's fix that there. Although New York was losing trades, I still scored high because I followed my trading plan and respected myself. So just respected myself is a big bracket for a risk to reward. I mean, not my risk management, my trading psychology. So how do I feel right now if I have to explain? I feel good because I am not feeling like it's bad because I did not um, take a winner in New York. And the goal of this thing is to detach myself from every session because London was a losing session. I should not have New York affect me. Um, that's why I'm supposed to rate myself and validate how I feel every time I'm done with the session, right? Because it's now going to help me move away. I've talked about it. I've talked about it, so it helps me move away from that and um, be a new person, right? So this approach may be used in daily. Like, okay, yesterday was yesterday. Yesterday has nothing to do with us. Today is a new day. It's the very same thing with sessions for me. Last London was London. There's nothing to do with New York. So the way I treat myself, I should consistently, even if I lost an account in New York, in London, um, if I am, the goal is to become emotionally intelligent enough not to be affected or not to take the affections around that sound right, not to take whatever took place in New York to affect you in London, or in London, I mean, to affect you in New York, right? So it's consistently monitoring the trader, and the trader would now take care of what? The results. It's the same thing as if you focus on the money in trading, you're not going to make it. Because what's going to happen is you just be like, okay, I want to make $2,000 or I want to make $200. You get in, and guess what happens? You won't have factors of confluence. You're not going to be following your rules. Therefore, you end up taking bigger losses or you end up losing an account. But if I am able to um, focus on the craft, which is the studies, which is the trading plan, which is the setups, back testing, forward testing the setups, it's going to help you be able to, once that becomes your focus, what is that going to give birth to? Profits, right? Same thing with here. If we're able to manage the trader, what is the trader going to give birth to? Profits. You see, what's going to be the offspring of that is profits. So that is the focus of this. Um, I still got a few things I want to add on it. I want to work on it, but I just said I want to have. I worked on the hardcore, or should I say, the fundamental system, just the system itself, to see if it's moving, if it's flowing. And I'm seeing there's quite a few improvements I need to do for the system to even improve better. But as long as the core thing is taking place, that's good. So let's submit there. Look at this here. That's exactly what we were comparing to. That's our London, that's our New York. And we can see how we also scored grade A, but we had 23 points this time. See, 23, 23. Here winning, here losing outcome, but these were both good winners and good losses. See? So that's the goal. I'm on 3, carrying. Let's say maybe I'm at 20, and then I've hit 4 strikes. And you've seen, for me to get the 4 strike, I think it's C. If I score C, going down, I'm hitting I'm getting a fail, right? Therefore, I'm getting a strike. If I do that 4 times, this is what it's going to do. It's going to clear this up and put me back to 0. All right, meaning now makes it harder for me to consider myself a skilled trader because right now I am an amateur, and yeah, I actually am, even though I've been trading for a very long time. But what it's going to do is that it's going to improve or help me be a better trader, right? So it's going to help me become a better trader. From this, there is skilled, there is elite, and then there is grandmaster, then there's legendary. So that's I designed this to be for it to be a 6 month thing, less than 6 months, just slightly below 6 months. If it's actually 6 months, or just below 6 months, you'll be able to, if you follow the rules to the T, I'll be legendary in 6 months, and it's not easy, but it means that that's going to be 42 sessions times 5, and that's 6 months, right? And meaning you need to be following yourself. And this is now centered around the statement that says, um, I've seen it twice. I don't know. I've seen it in different ways, but the one says it takes 21 days to build a habit, right? So we are trying to build a habit. And when we're building a habit, we are changing, we transform, we become part of that, right? So this is not in 21 days, this is like times 3 that, because every month is about 20 trading days or so. So um, 20, 22 trading days or so, depending on the days. So the days that you don't trade, for example, days that you are not supposed to trade, you are supposed to rate yourself still, because you did not trade, so you followed your plan, right? So you're supposed to rate yourself. All of those things, they take great importance, right? So yeah, that's that's gradient. It's something which I've been working on for a while. You can see I'm actually hosting it from VS Code, from my coding platform here. So um, it'll become better. It'll become better. So the goal is to get this guy there without having to get any strikes and graduate just like that, just like that. You never know. Maybe this may become one of those important um, seal of approvals that can take place in the future, whereby if you're able to produce tests from this, right? Um, and you can't cheat it, because if I clear reset, I can't make an example because it's going to clear all of this, but then I won't have history, and you can't change the date. So meaning this is consistently keeping you accountable. So guys, um, that's about it. Um, yeah, that's about it. I am happy with today's results. I am happy with today's performance. I'm also happy with the way I was able to manage myself today. And thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining. It means a lot for you that is here now. I mean, it's just the beginning, but the goal is to become, you know, I don't want to say great, but that's going to be one of the things that will take place, even though that's not the focus. The goal is to become a better version of myself every day. And I know as I do this online, it will help a lot of you to actually see that, or to actually see or to witness that execution experience um, as you watch me take these trades, right? And remember, Nothing that you see on this channel is financial advice. It's all just games, and it's for educational purposes only. Do your own research before you do or take any financial risk. All right. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and yeah, stay good. Better days will come.